From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Clouds sticking around through the overnight and the early morning hours of our Wednesday, dropping out of the 40s late this evening and toward the low to mid 30s by daybreak here, and then not making a whole lot of headway, only back into the upper 40s by our Wednesday afternoon. Here's the futurecast showing clouds rotating down through the area tonight. This is in association with the upper level disturbances bringing that dry cold front into the area. Down to the low to mid 30s by daybreak with mostly clear skies. A breezy north wind here of 10 to 15 miles per hour. It's going to make it feel into the 30s tomorrow at times, even when temperatures get up into the 40s. Sunshine by late morning, midday, and afternoon. So upper 40s for most of us. A few folks, especially North Alabama, flirting with 50 or 51. Back into the 30s tomorrow night, and most likely into the low to mid 30s for our morning lows around daybreak here on our Thursday morning. But Thursday starts the pattern change. High pressure shifting off to the east. More of a southerly wind. And with sunshine still around on Thursday, that means temperatures on up into the mid to upper 50s. Maybe North Alabama getting into the lower 60s. Everybody into the lower 60s for Friday. Mid and a few folks into the upper 60s on Saturday. Few showers and rumbles of thunder during the day. A better chance of widespread rain and thunderstorms coming in late afternoon or evening Saturday into Saturday night, and maybe a little bit of that lingering in toward the morning hours of Sunday as well before everything moves through. Gusty winds and heavy rain with thunder are the main risks. We'll watch for a severe weather threat because we're kind of on the fence with having enough instability for that or not. However, it looks like the better chance of any severe storms, any tornado threat off to the south and west of our area back into the Delta region of the Mississippi River and toward the Arklatex. But you know how instability can sometimes sneak in here during the winter months ahead of a storm system at the last minute, 24 to 48 hours in advance. So just in case, don't let this be the last time you check in with the weather information with us between now and Saturday, because instability could trend upward. And if it does, there may be a severe storm threat, even a threat of rotating thunderstorms. However, way too questionable in our local area to really worry about that now. Just we'll watch it carefully, keep checking back in. But the better threat of that off to the west, as of how it looks right now for our local area, mainly heavy rain and gusty winds. But we'll watch carefully in case that tries to change for you. Keep checking back in. Upper 40s for Wednesday, mid to upper 50s Thursday, back into the 60s Friday and Saturday ahead of that system. And then the cold front knocks us back to the upper 40s to begin next week as kids get on the school bus in the morning into the mid 30s to start the day with clouds around, but increasing sunshine midday into the afternoon, but only up into the upper 40s. So a jacket definitely going to be needed. Most of us upper 40s by the afternoon here. You can tell by the blue colors on the hourly forecast. It's going to be a chilly day tomorrow, but we start to warm up beginning on Thursday back into the mid to upper 50s, 60s Friday and Saturday, and then behind that system back into the upper 40s to start next week. Between that transition ahead of that cold front, rain and thunderstorms likely late Saturday, especially Saturday night, maybe lingering into early Sunday. There's a your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna's in the Weather Center tomorrow morning starting at 4 a.m. with your Wake Up Weather forecast.